Well, here's my boat. This will kind of give you an idea of where I'm going. The back isn't real clear, but and we come on up here. The seats are on the ground right now, but they will be up about 10 inches. There's the front end. I haven't done much with it yet. As soon as I get the seats in tomorrow, I'll start working on the nose. And then when I'm done with the nose, I will start painting. I want to paint everything before I put the outside plywood on, so that nothing can get wet and rot. Let me walk over here. That kind of gives you another perspective. I'm going to put a fishing chair right about here. And it'll be a post, or on a post, that I don't have to have the chair on. It'll be recessed in. That way I can use it as a fishing chair or not have it there just to go mess around on the water. Anyway, it's been fun. I have really enjoyed working on it. Okay, bye. Well, what I mean is, talk to you later. One more little picture. There we are. The end.